Chapter 1.7 is on the properties that can be proved from the axioms. The 11 field axioms, you can derive 4 more properties. So your first 2 are the reflexive property and the symmetry property. The reflexive property says that if x is real, then x will equal x, which should seem pretty self-explanatory. And similar for the symmetry property, where if x equals y, then y equals x. And these should seem pretty basic and a no-brainer. However, they are important because they are used in contrast to the order relationships. For real numbers, if x is real, then 5 will equal 5. If you have inequalities, you cannot say that 5 is less than 5, because that's not true. And similarly, for symmetry, if you say that 5 is less than 6, you cannot then flip around the numbers and say that 6 is less than 5, because that is not true. The next property is transitivity and trichotomy. Transitivity states that inequality, if x equals y and y equals z, then x equals z. So the y's are equal to each other, so it just all flows. For order, it states that if x is less than y and y is less than z, then x is less than z, which makes sense. If you have 3 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5, then 3 is less than 5, which is true. For trichotomy, the property states that if x and y are real, then exactly one of the following must be true. X must equal y, x must be less than y, or x must be greater than y. And that's also, it might seem complicated, but it is true that if you have a number, a different number is either equal to it, greater than it, or less than it. And that is chapter 1.